You need to watch this if you struggle with boring breakfasts. Ready to transform your mornings? First, grab these simple ingredients. A ripe avocado, fresh lemon, sea salt, chili flakes, and some crusty bread. Oh, and don't forget your favorite toppings. Slice up your avocado and scoop it into a bowl. Mash it up until it's nice and creamy. Squeeze in a bit of lemon juice for that zesty kick. Add a pinch of sea salt and a sprinkle of chili flakes. Mix it all together. Now toast your bread until it's golden and crispy. Spread that creamy avocado mix generously on top. Here comes the fun part. Add your favorite toppings. Think cherry tomatoes, a drizzle of olive oil, maybe even a poached egg. And there you have it, the best avocado toast ever. Fresh, delicious, and oh so easy. Enjoy your breakfast and don't forget to share your creations with us. Thanks for watching, foodies. Now go make that toast.